In previous lecture, we have discussed how we can transform a line working coordinate system. Now in this lecture, we will study about how we can translate an object, how we can scale it, how we can increase one side, two side, or all the side at the same time, how we can make a copy of an object, how we can rotate it in a different direction. And after we see how we can create the mirror of an object. Just first you have to create an object like a box. After that, in their modeling, there is a command: translate, rotate, scale and mirror. You can use this and you can also upload it from Quick Access toolbar. Just click on that command. First you have to decide which operation you want to do on this object. If you want to translate it and translate the same object, or if you want to translate the copy of an object, you have to just click on this copy. And after that you have to decide how many copies of an object you want to translate. Similarly, if the both objects are touching with each other, you can unite them. And you can also write as an independent object. From here, you have to put the dimensions along which you want to translate it. I want to translate and also the copy of the same object with two copies along x-axis with the factor of 4. You can preview this. I want to increase this value to 40 and you can preview it. You can change here the x direction according to the dimension of the original object. And finally, you can see that the original object is at the same position, but the copies of that object, two copies because the factor is 2, are moving along x-axis with a figure of 100 mm. Just press apply. You can see that because the objects are intersecting each other, if you want to do any operation, you can do that, but we don't want to do any operation. Now here you can see that this is the original object, this is a first copy and this is a second copy. Now the second operation is scale operation. And similarly, you can also define the factor and scaling factor. And if you want to copy it, or if you don't want to copy, you can also do it. You can see that the two copies of object at the same position has been scaled, and scaling position is applied to all direction, positive x-axis and negative x-axis, similarly positive and negative of y-axis as well. If you want to enter the center position by itself, you can also change it. I am going to change the scaling factor. And if I want to change the center position along y-axis with a factor of 4, with a factor of 70. You can see there. The object has been moved along this axis. Similarly, and press on OK. Here you can see that this is our original object. This is first copy and this is second copy. With the factor of scaling. Operation is scaling. The next we will see how we can rotate it. Rotation angle along x-axis. You can see there. Similarly, you can select the origin as a shape center or the global axis. In this case, I want to rotate the original object, not a copy of an object. You can see that and just apply. You have seen that the original object has been transformed 30 degrees. The last operation of transform is mirror. Here you can see that a copy of object mirror has been created. Here you can see that this is the object and this is the mirror of an object. In this way we can transform an object when we needed a same object 2 times or 3 times. We do not need to create that object again and again. In complex geometry, a same object creating again will take time. We can simply transform it from here and simply we can make the copy of that. So we will use it in different projects. We will see how it is useful and how this transform command will save you a lot of time.